Well, these little side plates are made by Royal Kent. A few of their patterns were named for marketing, but this one wasn't, and we're none the wiser, having done the research, to try and identify either its number or its name. But they're nice, decorative green and grey transfer printed with this very sort of pretty stylised leaf pattern with a few flowers picked up in grey on the background, but principally green. There are the Royal Kent China marks. Let's just bring that close for you to have a look at. Made in Staffordshire, England, Royal Kent bone china. They're in absolutely fine condition, as you can see, the glaze reflection on there and on the surface. Just have a look at that. No knife marks or anything on these, and the gilt around the rolling, gentle, very gentle scallop trim is in fine condition. If you've got these and you've got one with a pattern number on it, I'd love to hear from you so we can identify them for the listing in more detail. As I say, we weren't able to find them either on image searches or going through the catalogue references online, and there was only around half a dozen Royal Kent lines that were given names for marketing, as I've mentioned. We've got a set of 6 of them, selling them individually. Somebody will want them for the replacement market or just because they're so pretty and in such lovely condition if you're on this colour theme. Royal Trent, lovely quality English bone china, made during the last quarter of the 20th century, so they're not old, probably 1980s through to around 2000. And as you've seen on the video, in very fine condition. Thanks for watching.